welcome back to my channel. I'm here with an Ashtami look and I promise I will be bringing more Western looks. In fact, this is the end of the traditional looks that I will be doing for this puja. So yeah, enjoy this one. I have kept this look very minimal. I mean not minimal, but I have kept the eyes quite minimal and focused more on the skin and the glow and everything. So yeah, if you want to know how to achieve this whole look, then please keep on watching. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to do that. And also give this video a like if you found it helpful. Now let's just move on. Let's start off with a bit of skincare. So first I'm taking this Plum Moisturizer. This is a day cream and it also has an SPF of 20+. So I'm just applying it all over my face to moisturize my skin. Next, I'm going to take this UV Perfect sunscreen by L'Oreal, and this is a very lightweight sunscreen. If you're going out in the daytime, of course you need sunscreen, so I'm just applying it all over my face, and this will further help to get a nice glow to the skin. Next, for primer, I'm taking this Dewy Lumina Primer by Wet n Wild, and this is actually a really good dupe for the MAC Strobe Cream. You can just apply this primer all over your face underneath your foundation and it gives this really nice glow to your skin, as you can see. Now for foundation, this is the long awaited foundation, the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is a concealer plus a foundation and I'm in the shade number 5. I'm applying it as dots all over my face and then using this Rimmel Cosmetics sponge, I'm going to blend everything out. This is a truly full coverage foundation, but it doesn't feel like you have anything on your face. It's not very heavy or sticky. It's quite luminous, lightweight, yet it gives a lot of coverage and evens out your skin tone. I am honestly in love with this foundation and it has really lived up to my expectations. Now for concealer, I'm going to use the PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade 07 Nutcracker, and I'm just going to apply a tiny bit all over the points where I have any sort of darkness. Although the Milani foundation did cover most of it up, I'm just using this to brighten and conceal just a tad bit more. So I'm just using that same sponge to blend everything out once again. Now for contour, I'm going to use this Inglot concealer stick in a very dark shade and I'm going to apply it all over my hands, and then I'm going to take this brush. This is a small fluffy brush and I'm going to apply it from my hand onto my face, on the hollows of my cheekbones, my jaw, my forehead, everywhere I want to contour. This gives a really nice blended and kind of your skin but better look instead of looking like a very harsh contour, so I'm doing it. And then I'm going to take the beauty sponge once again and blend everything out, and you'll see how this makes it look like skin. Since I wanted this look to be very glowy and dewy, I did not want too many powders on my skin. For the same reason, I'm taking this blush by the Balm Cosmetics, and this is a really nice lip and cheek tint. I'm applying it all over the apples of my cheeks, and with my fingers I'm gonna blend it out. This looks really natural and gives a really flushed effect. I'm applying a second layer because the first layer wasn't really showing up on camera and I wanted a really nice flushed look. Now we're gonna powder the areas that crease. If you're an oily skin type, you should powder all of your face or else it won't last at all. And I'm applying it with a very tiny powder brush. This one is by Lacara, and I'm applying it only on my under eyes, my mouth area, my eyelids, just to set them in place so that they don't crease. For my brows, I'm using the Miniso eyebrow pencil, and taking the spoolie side, I'm just gonna brush my brows through first and then I'm gonna fill them in, making hair-like strokes, and after that I'm again gonna brush them to make them look very natural. Then for my eyes, I'm taking the Soph X palette and taking this really light brown transition shade. I'm gonna put it all over the crease of my eyes. You can use any light brown shade that you have and take a fluffy brush to just put it on. Now taking a darker brown, I'm taking a more defined crease brush and I'm just putting it right on my crease, making a shadow-like effect. And using a blending brush, I'm gonna blend it out so that nothing looks patchy or harsh. Now taking this really pretty gold shade, I'm gonna apply it with my fingers all over my eyelids, just excluding the outer corners. This will give a really nice sheen to the eyes, and I'm also darkening the outer corners with the help of the same shadows and blending it out. Next, I'm going to tightline my eyes, and for that I'm using the Stay Quirky Kajal. I'm just tightlining all over my upper lash line, and then I'm also going to tightline a little bit of my lower lash line, just 1/3 of it. And taking a small pencil brush, I'm going to smudge it out and smoke it out so that it gives a really nice faded look. And I'm also taking a blending brush and taking those transition shades that we used on our eyes, I'm gonna put it there. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Purplle I Spy High Tech Liquid Liner, and with that I'm gonna make a really dramatic wing. I have hooded eyes, so I'm gonna go over the hood of my eyes with the eyeliner. And I'm also starting from the middle of my eyes and then just joining it to the outer corners to make a really nice wing so that it does not get hidden in the hood of the eyes. Then I'm just joining the line to my inner corners. For lashes, I'm gonna go with the World of Rawa lashes in Babygirl, and these are so pretty. The lashes look so beautiful. And now I'm gonna move on to bronzer, for which I'm using the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just gonna very lightly put it on all over the areas where we put our cream contour. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and with the help of a fan brush, I'm gonna apply it very lightly onto my skin. I'm not putting a lot of pressure, and I've not taken a lot of product either. This is just to intensify the glow that we already have. Switching to a smaller brush, I'm gonna highlight my inner corners and the bridge of my nose as well as my brow bone. And then taking the MAC Fix Plus, I'm just gonna take a quick little shower in it and just pushing everything with the help of my sponge. This is gonna make everything look really natural. And then for my lips, I'm gonna use the Colorpop Lippy Sticks in Gold Digger. This is a really nice nude shade. It's somewhere in between a peach nude shade and a pink one. It looks really nice with this kind of outfit. Now I'm just going to change into my sari and put on some earrings as well as a bindi. You guys enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun filming it, and I hope you guys also have an amazing puja. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.